Welcome to Lesson 5 of the Listen and Learn series from the Christmas Light Academy. This one's all about walking you through what a typical Christmas light installation job looks like, from start to finish. We're not diving into detailed install techniques just yet. This is about understanding the flow of a job so you can picture the real day-to-day of installing lights professionally. Here's how it usually goes. You show up, greet the homeowner, and verify the design, what's being installed and where. Some clients want to walk the property with you. Others are happy to let you do your thing. After that, it's time to get to work. Some installers pre-bulb their roofline strands at home to save time, while others do it on site. Either way, you'll stage your materials and set up ladders or roof access. Roofline lighting usually comes first. You'll install C9 lights along the gutters and peaks, keeping everything tight and symmetrical. It's the most visible part of the job, and often what the customer cares most about. Next, it's time to hang the wreath, typically over the garage or front gable. That's also when you tie the power into the roofline circuit so it all runs together. Then it's on to trees, bushes, columns, and yard decor. You'll run power to those areas and start wrapping or staking lights depending on the design. From there, you'll set the timer, check connections, and start cleaning up. We like to leave the job looking better than when we arrived. If the customer's home, we'll usually let them know we're finished and walk them through the display. And one small touch we always recommend? Leave a door hanger on the neighbor's doors. Just a quick note that says, "We just decorated your neighbor's house. Want a quote? Give us a call." It's simple, fast, and a great way to get leads without being pushy. Now, if you're listening to this and wondering, how do I actually learn to do all that? We've got something special for you. The Christmas Light Academy Installer Training is a complete onboarding system that teaches you everything from ladder safety to product types to how-to videos on real homes. It's the same training used by over 70 new installers in 2024. We've put a special offer for that training in the description below, available only here through this audio series. That wraps up Lesson 5. In Lesson 6, we're going to cover the roles that make up a successful team, from installers to sales and admin. Even if you're starting solo, this will help you plan for growth. Let's keep going.